We got Miss Cheryl Clark right here. I called her a floozy on Tuesday. I don't know if she a floozy today.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got for us. Silent Waters, y'all.
Well, what a cozy little place here. How's that lived in aura? By the way, Jacob, woo, you look good. Take care till we meet again.
That's that hot chill right there. Y'all check this play out Friday, tomorrow at 7 o'clock, Saturday and Sunday at 3 o'clock at the Summerlin Performing Arts Library. And I got some other cast in here, so give them about 2 seconds. Right here we got
Janice Waters. Who am I? Oh, I'm baby sister drunk.
Baby sis, stay drunk, y'all.
I'm drunk, y'all.
She drunk now.
Levi Waters, the hustler. Oh.
Got my drink.
You got your 2-step too? Y'all check the play out this weekend.